understanding the term meat packer in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase meat packer. This is a common term in the English language, particularly in the context of occupations and industries. Whether you're learning English for work, study, or just for fun, understanding such phrases can be really helpful. So let's dive in. Meat packer refers to a person or a company involved in the business of preparing, packaging, and distributing meat products. This term is not just about packing meat into boxes. It involves various stages from processing raw meat to ensuring that it reaches consumers in a safe and edible form. A meat packer has several responsibilities. These include slaughtering animals, processing meat, ensuring hygiene and safety standards, and packaging meat for sale. In larger operations, meat packers may also be involved in distribution and logistics, ensuring that meat products reach supermarkets, restaurants, and other retailers. The term meat packer also extends to companies in the meat packing industry. This industry plays a crucial role in food supply chains globally. It's a sector that involves large-scale operations, employing thousands of workers, and adhering to strict health and safety regulations. Understanding the role of a meat packer is essential, especially in contexts related to job opportunities, economic discussions, or even when shopping for meat products. It helps in comprehending how the meat on our plates goes through a complex journey, handled by skilled workers and companies dedicated to this task. That's all about the term meat packer. I hope this video has shed light on this important occupation and industry. Remember, learning such terms not only enhances your English vocabulary but also gives you insights into different sectors and jobs. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.